Hello, my name is Chris Palmer, and welcome to my channel, Chris Palmer SEO. If you're brand new here, welcome, and if you have not already, please subscribe. In today's video, I have been holding back. I wanted to create a YouTube SEO series, but I really wanted to go ahead and put this out because there is absolutely no one talking about artificial intelligence and getting more views on YouTube by optimizing your thumbnails and how YouTube has started using AI in order to read the thumbnails. It can actually tell you exactly the expression on your face. It can read text inside of your thumbnail. So not only can you put in your keywords into, say, the title or the alt text, whatever you would like to call it, when you upload your photos onto YouTube in order to get more views. That's one of the things that you should do. But also, something that none of the larger YouTubers want you to know is that Google or YouTube can actually read the text inside of the thumbnails, and it can even read the expressions on your face. So I want to reveal a secret, a secret in order to get more views on YouTube using a secret AI called Google Vision. So Google Vision at cloud.google.com/vision/doc/drag and drop. I cannot wait to show you how to get more views using AI, and I'm going to go ahead and show you now. So I actually have the thumbnail that I'm going to use for this video. I would like to go ahead and show you that. You drag it in here, and it will not only read the text, but it will also tell you the expression on the face if it can read this, because I actually went ahead and created a fun thumbnail. So you'll drag it in here. You will click the I'm not a robot, and this is how you will get more views on YouTube. This is a secret using AI that no one is talking about. So I just wanted to go ahead and show you this. So it's reading the text, the font, the branding. It knows that you have branding. It knows how much font is on the page. It knows how much text is on the page, but that is not all. So within the logos, it's showing you the logo on the web. It's giving you the actual breakdowns of each and everything. The text, look at this. It read the text. More views on YouTube, which is up top. See how it's actually highlighting it here? Block 2, Chris Palmer SEO 2019, which is right there, and using AI and SEO. It can read the text within the photos. Now, for some of you that may not know, for the beginners out there, this is absolutely crucial to getting more views on YouTube, because you need to start adding text to your photos. It can read faces. Not only can it read text, but let me go ahead and show you. There's spoof possible, which is, maybe it's funny. Is it adult? Very unlikely. Medical? Unlikely. Violence? Very unlikely. Racy? Very unlikely. So it's fun. Here, let's just go ahead and throw in another one so I can show you um, how it reads the pictures, and it is absolutely wonderful. I mean, it is showing you and telling you not only the words that are within the photo, but also it's showing you the text. So it's reading the text, it's reading the photos. This is Google Vision. Google and YouTube are one and the same. They are using artificial intelligence to not only read the photos, but read the text. And it is absolutely crucial for getting more views on YouTube in 2019. You need to optimize your thumbnails because they're using the AI to read them. Let's go ahead and drag a photo in there. I just want to show you one more. I have a beautiful photo of a very handsome gentleman right here. His name is Chris Palmer. Maybe not so handsome, but so we go ahead, we click on Not a Robot. For all of you that have not seen this, this is on cloud.google.com/vision. This is called Google Vision. It is AI and machine learning products. Um, this is how they're reading the photos, guys. So look at it has facial recognition. Look at joy, very unlikely, sorrow, anger, surprise, exposed, blurred, headwear. It's showing you the pan, the tilt, the roll. It is reading everything within the document. Look at this. A man with glasses, it's a person. It knows every piece, every aspect. The shirt is blue, the arm, the shoulder, the sleeve. It's covering each and every aspect using artificial intelligence, web entities. It knows that this is Chris Palmer Marketing, which is me, because this photo is on the web. This is absolutely crucial, guys. You need to master your thumbnails to gain and earn more views on YouTube in 2019. I hope that you have found value in this video, and if you have not already, please subscribe to get more views on YouTube. Thank you.